Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're jumping in to show you exactly how to buy KASPA. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos in future, smash that bell notification icon so you can get notified when we drop videos every single day on the channel. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. It is my gift to you. Grab it while it's free, so go and get it now. Okay, KASPA has been on a bit of a tear recently and has been performing very, very well throughout this bull cycle thus far, reaching all-time highs around the 19 cents level. You can see that we're currently sitting around the 18 cents level. We've broken back above 18 cents here on July 16th, 2024. But as you can see from the price action, we have seen KASPA putting in some excellent performance since the beginning of 2024, going all the way from 1.5 cents here on the, in 2023, in the middle of 2023, going from about 1.5 cents all the way up to recent highs of that 19 cents level. We did see a little bit of a dip and correction, but we're back to this 18 cents level, very, very close to all-time high prices and very, very close to all-time high market cap as well. KASPA is currently the 25th largest cryptocurrency in the entire crypto market, with a market cap of about 4.39 billion US dollars. KASPA is a layer 1 blockchain solution that leverages proof of work technology in combination with direct acyclic graph technology to make it a truly scalable layer 1 blockchain solution. Many people think that KASPA could be a replacement or a better alternative for some of the other layer 1s that we are using today, like Ethereum, like Solana, like Bitcoin, etc. Of course, that remains to be seen, but KASPA is a very promising technology and is going to be seeing the introduction of the KRC20 smart contracts on chain very, very soon. I think they launched in the past couple of weeks and we're seeing adoption slowly starting with it, but it's going to be a while before we really see the true scale and potential of KRC20 smart contracts on the KASPA blockchain. So lots of potential for KASPA. It has been a very excellent performer over the course of the past number of months. And if you want to get your hands on KASPA, there's a few ways that you can go about it. The positive thing here is that KASPA is not yet listed on some of the more major exchanges like Binance, like Coinbase. So, even though it is listed on a few prominent exchanges here, as we can see with Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, and MEXC, it bodes well for price action because usually when we see cryptocurrencies getting added to those premium tier 1 exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, it typically gives a nice surge in price action to the upside with positive sentiment surrounding the token, and also the fact that, KASPA getting listed on Binance and Coinbase would give hundreds of millions of more people very seamless access to purchase the token, and price action often squeezes upwards as a result. So if you're watching this video here in the middle of 2024, it could be very timely for you in terms of getting your hands on some KASPA before it does actually get listed on those major exchanges, because price action can squeeze upwards as a result. So as you can see, the most prominent exchanges for the moment in terms of centralized exchanges would be Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, etc. We're going to jump over to Bybit just as a quick example to show you how you can do that with Bybit. But what you're going to want to do is obviously come into your Bybit account here at bybit.com. You're going to want to come over to the trading and spot trading area. The prerequisite here is obviously that you need to have some funds in your Bybit account. So if you don't have a Bybit account, you're going to need to sign up, create a login. You can sign up with Google. It's very seamless. If you are looking to actually fund that account, you're going to need to do your KYC and identity verification. You're then going to need to submit your documentation. It'll get approved very, very quickly, but then you need to transfer some funds into your account. You can do that by either transferring assets into your account by doing a deposit of actual crypto. So you could send crypto from your Binance account or your Coinbase account or a different centralized exchange. You could send stable coins like USDT or USDC directly into your Bybit account, or you could do a one-click buy by using a credit or debit card, for example, and purchasing a stable coin like USDT with your credit or debit card and have that money get added directly into your account. So again, a couple of different options there for actually funding your Bybit account. And then what you're going to want to do is come over to the spot trading tool. Again, I have this open here in this tab. And again, what you're going to want to do is click on the drop down and find KASPA on the Bybit spot trading exchange option. You can see that you do need to trade KASPA with USDT in terms of stable coins. So if you deposit USDC, you will need to swap that USDC into USDT before you can purchase KASPA with it. So again, you'll open up KASPA USDT. The trading interface is going to look exactly like this. You're going to want to come over to market buy if you're simply wanting to purchase KASPA at the market price. Again, if you have USDT in your wallet, it's going to show you how much of the USDT you can use to actually purchase KASPA on the exchange at the market rate. You simply put in however much USDT worth of KASPA you want to purchase. You click on buy KASPA. That means you're buying it at the market price, which right now is, as you can see, just at this 18-cent level here, just slightly above it. It's going to execute that purchase pretty much instantly, and the KASPA is going to be in your unified trading account wallet here on Bybit. So again, there's a couple of steps in this process. You're going to need to have the Bybit account or a centralized exchange account on Gate.io or KuCoin. Again, the method of funding is going to be pretty similar no matter which exchange you're using. We use Bybit as the example here. You're going to need to fund the wallet with some crypto from a different wallet or exchange, or purchase stablecoin with a credit or debit card. Then enter the spot trading area, find the trading pair for KASPA USDT, execute a market buy for the specific amount of US dollars worth of KASPA that you want to purchase, and then it'll get added into your unified trading account wallet. There is one other method for purchasing KASPA, or it's actually a wrapped version of KASPA. And as you can see here, if we go into look at the different KASPA exchange listings, we can see that we've got PancakeSwap listed here as a decentralized exchange that actually offers a wrapped token version of KASPA that you can purchase in a decentralized manner. So you can come over to PancakeSwap at pancakeswap.finance. You can come into the swap tool here. And what that's going to let you do is connect a wallet. It could be a MetaMask wallet. It could be a Trust wallet, depending on whichever wallet that you're using for self-custodying your crypto assets. You're going to be able to use PancakeSwap and the Binance Smart Chain to actually purchase a wrapped version of KASPA. If you're not familiar with wrapped tokens, it's basically a one-for-one version of a specific token, but operating on a different blockchain than the native blockchain that token is for. So again, if you have BNB in your wallet, for example, what you're going to be able to do is search for KASPA, and you're going to see that KASPA shows up here as the wrapped KASPA token on the BNB network. What you can do is you can import that from CoinGecko. It's going to prompt you to import that token. You need to disclose that you understand the risks, and it's always worth coming over to CoinGecko itself, because if you come into CoinGecko and if you search for KASPA, it's going to bring up both KASPA, the normal KASPA token, but also this wrapped KASPA version. And if you click into the wrapped KASPA version, it's going to bring you to this page, and you'll see that the default contract address is actually for a wrapped KASPA token on the Ethereum blockchain, but you're going to want to make sure that you find the one for the BNB Smart Chain if you're using PancakeSwap. And again, you can see here, this is the token contract address ending in 599. And if we come back over to PancakeSwap, you can see that it is the correct token address with the token address ending in 599. Click on understanding the risks, import the token, and then that's going to allow you to use funds that are in your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet that you've connected to PancakeSwap in order to actually purchase some KASPA tokens. So again, you can denote however much BNB you want to use to purchase KASPA. I don't have enough BNB in my wallet at this moment. So let's just say the maximum balance would allow me to purchase about 91 KASPA here. Then you can execute that swap and it's going to add those funds to your wallet. So again, in my case, I've got a MetaMask wallet connected here to the PancakeSwap exchange via the BNB Smart Chain. So again, you're going to want to make sure you've got the correct network selected, finding the wrapped KASPA token, purchasing the wrapped KASPA as a result, and then that's going to get added into your wallet. Okay guys, very briefly, I want to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is EchoPay. EchoPay and the team are making it super easy and extremely seamless for you to purchase all of your favorite EVM crypto coins and meme coins on the blockchain. All you need to do is head over to echopay.xyz. You can open up their application and sign in with a Google account or similar. They've built in this extremely simple to use interface with single sign-on. And as you can see, you can simply sign in with an existing Gmail or Google account and use their platform to select and purchase your favorite meme coins. For example, they've got Pepe, they've got Brett, they've got Boop, they've got a bunch of other meme coins to select from. And again, if you filter by DeFi, they've got some of the most popular DeFi tokens like Uniswap, Chainlink, Lido, Avo, the Graph token, and even Pendle, which has been one of the biggest performers this year so far as well. So give EchoPay a try, guys. I'm going to be talking with the founder of EchoPay on the channel as well. These guys are building something super cool, creating a very simple interface for you to interact and purchase your favorite cryptos. Head over to app.echopay.xyz. You can grab the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to make it super easy for you guys to jump over here, check it out, create an account, and purchase your first tokens. It is super easy, and I'm super excited to be partnering with these guys. A very genuine group of people, a great team behind the project, and you guys can check it out for yourselves. So KASPA has been an exceptional performer over the past number of months. It's continuing on this very, very strong uptrend that hasn't really broken to the downside. And there's a lot of potential with KRC20 smart contracts and everything going on in the KASPA ecosystem. So hopefully that video gives you a bit of an insight as to how you can purchase KASPA on a centralized exchange or a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap. As I said, it's a very good time to potentially be purchasing KASPA. Again, this is not financial advice, but the fact that it has not been listed on some of the premium tier 1 exchanges means that we could see a lot of upside price action if and when KASPA does get listed on the likes of Binance and Coinbase. So as always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button on your way to the door if you enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 10,000 subscribers. It would mean the world if you subscribed. And if you want to get notified about future videos, smash that bell notification icon. And finally, don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's linked in the description of the video below. It is my gift to you. Grab it while it's free. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.